Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about various mini cars from this bigger truck. Okay, let's check with me everybody. បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវជួបខ្ញុំជាថ្មីជាមួយវីដេអូថ្មីបាទវីដេអូហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការបាទឆែកនៅឡានផ្សេងៗដែលមាននៅក្នុងទ្រុងឡានធំនេះប៉ុន្តែមុននឹងធ្វើការឆែកឥឡូវយើងបាទយើង clean ហើយនឹងបាទមើលនេះសិនបាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងបាទ clean មួយនេះបាទ this one an excavator everybody បាទនេះគឺ excavator អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទឡាន excavator បាទជោគដីក៏បានបាទជោគដីកាយដីណាបាទស្រុកយើងគេហៅថា X បាទ X បាទ excavator. Let's go to the next one បាទតោះឥឡូវឲ្យយើងមើលបន្តទៀត How about this one? This is a cement mixer truck បាទ cement mixer truck everybody បាទនេះគឺជាឡានក្លុកស៊ីម៉ងឬក៏គេហៅថាឡានលាយស៊ីម៉ងណាបាទបាទ very nice. Let's go to the next one បាទតោះឥឡូវយើងមើល the next one a racing car បាទនេះគឺ racing car អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា a cute racing car បាទ cute racing car. Let's go to the next one. A red car អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះបាទ a red car បាទ a very nice interesting red car បាទ a very nice interesting red car ឥឡូវយើង check exterior and interior បាទ interior បាទ very nice. Okay, let's go to the next one everybody បាទឥឡូវយើងមើល How about this one បាទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡានជោគអ្នកនរគ្នានេះបាទប្រភេទឡានជោគអានេះយើងអាចធ្វើការជោគខ្សាច់ជោគគ្រោះតូចៗបានបាទប្រភេទមួយនេះបាទនេះគេដាក់ថា number បាទ999បាទ extra color. So now let's go to the next one បាទមួយនេះបាទឡានសម្រាប់ចាប់ឡាននេះគេសម្រាប់ចាប់សម្រាមបាទសម្រាប់ចាប់បាទកំណាត់ឈើអីហ្នឹងបាទនេះបាទចាប់ស្មៅបាទឬក៏ចាប់កំទេចឈើជាដើមបាទប្រភេទឡាននេះណា Okay everybody let's go to a big truck with lot of mini cars. Now I put some water and then I will dig this truck to find various mini car. Let's check the first one បាទឥឡូវយើងមើល the first one បាទ the first one បាទនេះប្រភេទ racing car everybody number 8. A very nice racing car. Let's move to the next one. A truck បាទនេះប្រភេទឡានដឹកឡាននេះគេដឹកបាទប្រភេទហ្នឹងគេដឹក excavator អីហ្នឹងបាទប្រភេទនេះណាបាទ excavator បាទឬក៏ប្រភេទបាទអាគារអាហ្នឹងយើងតែឃើញនៅ construction area. We can see this truck at construction area. បាទឃើញនៅការដ្ឋាន Let's go to the next បាទ a cement mixer everybody this one a nice interesting cement mixer. Okay, let's bring another one. How about this one everybody? This one is a logistic truck with cute colors. Let's move to the next one. 4 wheels motorbike. 4 wheels motorbike. We can drive this at mountain, at resort. Okay, let's check the next one. Là dừng bà mồi to thế đó này. Bà, this is a school bus. Bà, a yellow school bus, everybody. A short mini school bus. Let's check the next. Là dừng mơ to này đó thế. Bà mới này cứ Black Spider-Man, everybody, Black Spider-Man. My hero. Let's move to a next hero. Iron Man. Red Iron Man. So now let's go to the next one. A cute mini car. Let's go to another one. My favorite hero. This one, my favorite hero, everybody. Okay, let's check the next one. How about this one? Ba này đó nàyประเภทการทำ Monster Truck แบบ Monster Truck อะไรจังมือแบบมือที่ทางเลอแบบใน Monster Truck แบบมือกองเวียแบบมือ tire แบบเวีย Look at this tire very strong แบบยังมือ tire แบบจังบอกพ่อđể cho chậtมือวิดีโอแบบในยองไปร้านđược trong bàn bằng hàng bàn thưa chunบอกพ่อนี้xong chui chật like rồi chật comment nè môi máu hãyบอกพ่อđem toàn bàn chui chật subscribe và xong chui chật subscribe nè môi. Okay, the last one. Everybody, if you like this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially click subscribe button to my channel. So now, thank you for watching this video. I should finish right now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. This one is a man mixer with United Truck. Okay, a very nice truck. Goodbye.